So I want to introduce you to myself. My name is Carla Clayton. I am a certified health coach, and also I have been a Shaklee independent distributor for over 28 years now. I was introduced to Shaklee when I was in my young 20s. I was a school teacher. I was experiencing a lot of stress, and someone shared with me these Shaklee products that I'm going to share with you tonight. And she dared me to use them for 30 days and see if I would feel better. And if I didn't, I can get my money back. So that's what I did. And well, here I am today because it really did make a difference. Although I was very skeptical about it in the beginning and had a lot of questions and didn't really notice if it made the difference initially. But boy, when I stopped using the products, did I notice the difference. And some of the benefits that I noticed is more energy, feeling better, sleeping better. So here's what we're doing with our Get Healthy community is we're inviting you to do a 21-day summer refresh. So I just went on summer vacation. We rented an RV and we traveled up to St. Augustine, Savannah, Amelia Island. And I indulged, yes, I did. I indulged in ice cream and snacks and lots of rich, delicious food from all over. We had some beignets from a New Orleans style restaurant in Savannah, and I had shrimp and grits. I just love to eat food when I travel. If you love to eat food when you travel, raise your hand, put a comment below and say you love to eat food. But here's the thing. I don't eat like that all the time, but I also don't deprive myself because I follow something called the 80-20 rule. I believe if you eat healthy 80% of the time, if 80% of the food I eat, I treat as fuel to feed my cells so that my body works properly, then 20% of the food that I have can be soul, like feed the soul food, things that you would eat for celebrations or, when you're around other people or if someone makes a treat, you don't have to deny yourself everything. So that's what I teach and that's what I recommend. So Donna says she loves eating food too, right? And it's okay. This is a guilt-free zone. And this is what I want to help you learn in the 21-day summer refresh is how to have a healthy relationship with food. Because when we diet, I'd love for you to throw that word out because it just doesn't work and it's not healthy. What we want to do is really treat food as that fuel source, but also as that soul feeding source too, but keeping it in balance. And so what I like to do is just teach some healthy habits that you can adopt even in the busy, crazy time of the summer when you're traveling, when your kids are in summer camps or you're taking them to sports, when you're working, when you're, just these crazy hectic schedules that we have in the summer that get us all out of our routine. What if there were just a few things that you could do that could really add up to a big difference for you? That's what the 21-day summer refresh is about. So let me tell you what it's going to be made up of. It's 3 weeks. You can do anything for 3 weeks, right? The first week, what we do is we reset your palate and we introduce some really good nutrition and some cleansing supplements so we can clear out some of the toxic things that have built up over time. Now, it's no secret that the brand partner, the brand that I recommend is Shaklee. I told you that at the beginning. I've been a rep for 28 years. So one of the program, pieces of the program I recommend is the Shaklee 7-Day Healthy Cleanse. And here is what it looks like. When you order it, you're going to get this box. Let's kind of get it focused. There we go. And in a clinical study, the people who did this 7-day cleanse, they noticed, it's right there on the box, improved focus and energy. I mean, who wants that, right? Improves mood and sleep quality, and it improves digestive health, supports a very gentle cleanse detox, and also can jumpstart weight loss. Although if you don't need to lose weight, you can still do this. That's not the main thing about it. Okay, inside your kit, you're going to get this wonderful little cleanse guide, and it's going to share with you that you can eat all the fruits and vegetables that you want. You can have your herbal teas, you can have healthy fats, and you're just going to eat, and not deprive yourself, but you're going to eat healthy fruits and vegetables for 7 days, and you're going to take the cleansing supplements that are going to help give your digestive system a rest and help move out the toxins that are in our body. There's a morning, let me tear this apart so you can see, it's two different packs here. This is your morning supplement pack. There's the supplements, and this is your evening supplement pack. And you just take these morning and night as directed. And here's what we notice. I've noticed when I do this is when I first go into it, maybe I've been on vacation and my palate is craving sugars again. This helps break that sugar craving, because when you eat fruits and vegetables and you take these herbs for 7 days, it resets and you actually begin to crave and enjoy vegetables again. And so that's an incredible benefit. Are there any questions so far? If there are, put your questions in the chat. And also, if you're watching on Facebook, write your questions there. Okay, so Betty's trying to call in to join. Let's see if we can get her in here. Let me just see here. Okay. So here we go. And then we're going to do this in the first week. And then in the second week, what we're going to do is we're going to move into phase 2, where we're going to start reintroducing some proteins and some good other healthy foods. And then we're going to add a healthy breakfast shake. And so this is the Shaklee Life Shake. I absolutely love this. This one is a complete meal replacement. You can just add water to it or your favorite milk or nut milk to it. It's a complete meal. Or you can add more to it and make it a very filling, satisfying smoothie. You can add some fruit. I love to add a little frozen banana, frozen avocado, and some fruit to it. And it just really sustains you for 3 or 4 hours. And that's a really good foundation so that you know you're starting your day with good nutrition. Donna says she loves the shake. She does. Then what we're going to do at breakfast in phase 2, that second week, is we're going to add some food supplements. So there's 2 different options you can use. I like this one because it's so simple. It's our Vitalizer option. And what it is it's a vitamin strip. And let me just show you what's in it. There we go. You're going to get a multivitamin, a B and C complex, which is great for stress and energy. You're going to get your carotenoids, your vitamin E, and your omegas, and you're also going to get a probiotic. And it comes in a handy dandy little vitamin strip. Let me tear this off because some people think that's more than it is. So one little strip. So we call it the strip and shake, right? You're going to strip and shake every day. Now, there's 1/3 of your nutrition for the day that you know is pure, potent, powerful, good nutrition for your cells that's going to give you energy and all the other benefits that I was talking about. So doesn't that sound simple and easy? Do you think you could do that? During that second 2 weeks, then I'm going to be sharing with you the healthy plate method. How do you meal plan that other 2 meals that you're going to have for the day? How do you select and make a balanced meal? So I'll teach you how to do that. We'll have some fun challenges like drinking enough water. So we know we need to be drinking about half our body weight in ounces. So if you weigh 140 pounds, you want to aim for about 70 ounces of fluids and water a day. So does this make sense? And really, that's all there is to it. The fun part is that we're going to do it as a group. We're all going to be in this together in our Get Healthy Facebook group. And I want to encourage you to reach out to your Shaklee distributor, that person that invited you into our group. And I want you to ask them to help you select the right products for you, because as I was sharing the Vitalizer Women here, we also have this in men's and gold. And then we also have personalized nutrition with our Meology, which is also another option if you want to give that a try. But really and truly reach out to your Shaklee distributor, because they will help you pick the right products and they'll help you get the best price. And then they're going to guide you and help you with the program. Now, I want to just take a minute and share my screen, but let me move some things around so I can do that properly. Okay, let's see if we can get this going. All right, so I'm going to do share screen, and let's see if I can share with you some of the materials that you're going to get when you do this 21-day summer refresh with the Get Healthy group. You're going to get this guide right here that shows you all about the fruits and vegetables and things you can eat. And then you're going to get a shopping list. I absolutely love the shopping list. You just go through your recipe book, pick out the things that you're going to do, check them off on here, take this to the shopping trip for you, and then just get the products on your checklist. You're going to get a weekly meal planner, blank one that you can fill in. You pick out your recipes you're going to work on that week. And then here's the guide. Look at these beautiful recipes. This is the one you use during phase 2 when you start the vitamins and adding the proteins back in. And then you're going to have a habit tracker so you can track your habits. These are the things we'll be focusing on during our 21-day refresh. And here's some more. I give you a bonus recipe book. This is a really good one, some hummus and all kinds of great recipes. And then I have a bonus book that's all about different things you can do with our Life Shake. Like these are some energy bites. You can even make pancakes with the protein mix. So it doesn't have to just be a smoothie all the time. And then I have another recipe guide for you. Doesn't this just look so exciting and fun and supportive? So I just want to open up now for anybody that might have some questions. Just type those in the chat, type them in the comments below the video. I will come back and look at this video throughout and answer questions if you're not here live. So feel free, if you're watching the replay, to drop some questions in there. All right, well, if there are no questions, then I will stop the recording now. And I want to thank you so much for joining us. And I can't wait to see you join us for our summer refresh. We're going to kick off on July 12th, so you don't have to worry. You can enjoy your July the 4th celebrations. And then we will get started on July 12th through the 31st for this 21-day challenge. Thanks for watching.